Before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from our channel. Google recently launched the developer preview of Android P, even though Android Oreo is being rolled out only for 2% of the devices. Now you need a Pixel or a Nexus phone to experience this developer preview. So in this video, I will show you how you can experience it without a Pixel phone. So let's begin. The first and foremost requirement is a working PC. We are going to emulate Android P on the PC using a software known as the Android Studio. I will give the link in the description below. After opening the link, click on this download button, then accept the terms and conditions and hit download. It might take some time depending on your downloading speeds. I've already downloaded the file to save us some time. Now extract the files to a folder. I will extract mine to my desktop. After the file has been extracted, open the file. Then go to this bin folder and run the Studio 64 application file. If you have any previous settings already present in your computer, you can import it through this option, else just click OK. And wait some time, the Android Studio application will load up. Click on Next, 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 and it will take some time to download all the things stated here. Then click on Finish. After it is downloaded and installed successfully, it will show Intel HAXM installed successfully. Then click on Finish. Click on Start a new Android project. Give it a name of your choice and you can select where the project will be installed. Then change this to Android 8 Plus P Preview and click on Next. Then again Next and click on Finish. After this, you will be greeted with this page. From here, then click on the Tools option and type in AVD Manager. Then click on Create Virtual Device and select the device you want. I will be choosing Pixel to XL and then click on Next. And from here download the Android P ROM. It will again take some time depending on your internet speeds.
Chuki.
After the download is over, click on Finish. Then click on this P and hit Next. Leave all the settings to automatic and click on Finish. Then click on this play button here. And then Android P will boot up on this Pixel to XL emulator. So here it is, a Pixel to XL running on Android P. Now you can try the various changes that has been made to Android P here. To know about all the changes that has been made to Android P, click on the link in the I button here. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing, as we come up with many useful tips and tricks videos like this and many other tech related videos every week. Have a good day.